Hey everyone, welcome back to Development Wala. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about one of the prestigious fellowship of India, that is the Young India Fellowship. So in this video, you will know about the Young India Fellowship in detail, that what this fellowship is all about, how to apply, okay, what courses it will cover, and the eligibility criteria, everything. So do watch the video till the end. Firstly, I want to tell that this Young India Fellowship is a full-time 1 year residential postgraduate program which is offered by Ashoka University, okay, and it is designed as an interdisciplinary liberal education program. That means that it does not only focus on one subject like the traditional postgraduate programs, but YP exposes to multiple subjects like humanities, social sciences, economics, literature, leadership studies. Mainly, the goal of this fellowship is to build critical thinking, communication skills, intellectual curiosity, and leadership capacity. So now let's understand about this program. So let's discuss the program structure. So as it is a 1 year residential fellowship, so in this 1 year the student can take 18 courses, in which there is the foundational courses across disciplines. Then there are electives based on their interest. There is a communication and skill building component also. There is also a mentorship and career guidance support. And as it is a fully residential program, so the main learning is through the peer learning and also through the campus life. So now it comes that who can apply in the program. Students from any background, any disciplines can apply in this program. Just they should have completed their undergraduate program, or they should be in the final year, or the professional, or the person, or the students who have professional experience from 0 to 3 years, they can also apply. So there is no particular strict age limit, and students from different countries also join here, so it is like applicable for the students of different countries also. Now if I talk about the important dates and rounds, so this YIP has two cycle, round 1 and round 2, but student can apply one round per year, okay, and this time the deadline are almost gone. For the first round it's already gone, it was 19th of January, and for the second round it is 23rd of February, okay, so only one day is left. Mainly this video is an informational video. You can apply for the next year also, for the 2027 to 28. If you really want to apply now also, you have one day, you can apply for it. And sometimes timelines also vary and it also get extended, so for that you can also visit the official YIP page. So now if I talk about the application process, so there are two rounds. Firstly, you have to apply through the application form, and then if you are shortlisted, then a personal interview is held. But in that application form, it is a very detailed application form and it will take a lot of time to fill it. Like it contains short essays, and some of the questions related to the development sector, and then you also have to submit your documents related to your academics. Then any award or achievements that you have to write about it. There are also a section of recommendations. So when you fill out this form and you will be selected, then an interview will be held. To apply early also benefits here, because the applicants who have applied early and in round 1, they get the chance early for the interviews. Now if I talk about the fees and scholarship for this YIP program, so yeah, this YIP is a really premium program, but it also supports, and many scholarships are available. So Ashoka University offers a need based scholarship. So most of the students who are selected get scholarship for their tuition fees, and some cases in for their living expenses are also covered. So after the interview, there are three stages. The first is that you are selected, you will get the scholarship. The second is you are in the waiting list, but you can still apply for the scholarship. And the third is the rejection part. So the best thing is that even it is a premium program, but it has a need based scholarship, and like the financial burden or financial constraints should not stop you to apply for it, because once you are in, there are also different type of scholarship based on the merit also, that also you can apply. So if you are someone who is confused in their career path, that what to do, and they want more exposures, they want more learning, they want to build as a person who critically thinks and meet a lot of new people, so I think this program is for you. You can apply for it. And really, Ashoka University is a very beautiful university. This program is very beautifully designed. And if I talk about the future scope of it, so it have a very good future scope, because the good placements come here and student get placed in a very good packages. So I think I have covered all the part that you should know about the Young India Fellowship. Okay, and if you are not able to apply this year, so please save this video and share this video, so that you can know about the YAP and you will not miss the next chance and next opportunity, and you can apply for the next year. Okay, if this video helped, then please like, share and subscribe this channel for more such content.